Hi, my name is Dustin Shannon, and this video is to give you a brief overview of my current portfolio and my basic animation and graphic design skill set. Okay, so let's get started. This is the homepage of my portfolio, dksdesign.net. Now, my site is designed to display an array of skills as opposed to specializing in one. Animation is really my favorite thing, especially in 3D. But I do also enjoy graphic design in general, utilizing Photoshop, and I enjoy working with Illustrator in vector art, as well as special effects and general video editing. This page demonstrates some of the work that I've done in Illustrator, creating vector art. And if you don't know what that means that instead of just using pixels, the program uses mathematical equations between points, which makes the image infinitely scalable in any size and any resolution. These are some examples of a couple of things that I've done from a previous job in Illustrator. These are recreations of high school mascot logos. That was what I did at that place. The high school would give us a small image or the picture of a football helmet or something, and my job was to recreate it in vector format so that it was high enough resolution for print. This is a little project that I just did just for fun. I just thought this was kind of a cool effect. It looks like an airport timetable like they used to have. This was a logo that somebody had drawn up that they wanted for their hockey team. These are just some school projects. Turned my girlfriend into a superhero. Her last name is Dill, so we thought it would be kind of funny to make some pickle references. And then these are just some basic traces that I did in class. A trace of Zoidberg and a trace of the front of a car that I restored. This is my 3D animation and video page where I demonstrate all the things that I've done in Maya and in After Effects. Maya is my favorite program to work with when dealing with animation, but I really like After Effects a lot. After Effects really brings the magic to video in general, but I also like the way it allows me to composite animation with live action footage. This is a little thing that I created with Photoshop and in After Effects. This is my demo reel that demonstrates most of the things that I'm talking about here in video format. This is a Maya particle waterfall. This is a physics simulation of a wrecker ball destroying a brick wall out in the middle of absolutely nowhere, which is where you generally find brick walls composed of 9 bricks. These are my dinosaur animations. This one here is made entirely in Maya, and then I added sound effects and a couple of special effects of the shotgun and whatnot in After Effects. And this is where I integrated the same animation with live action footage from my apartment. If you can't tell, the original animation is based off of my actual apartment. This is a composite of just a lightning storm outside of a window scene that I made in Maya. This is my dinosaur walk cycle for my dinosaur character. And this is an old animation of a mouse trying to get cheese off a countertop. He doesn't make it. This is the original concept drawing of mine of my dinosaur. It was just a random character creation drawing that I did in a class of mine, and then when the time came to model a character in Maya, I opted to go with him, and I'm pretty pleased with the results. This is just another lamp scene similar to the one that has the lightning storm at the window. This is an Xbox 360 repair guide, but I'll get to that in another section. And this is the inside cover for a book called Infiltrator by D.E. Shannon, who happens to be my dad. These planets I did in Maya, along with the lighting and the coloring of the clouds and whatnot, and then the rest of this I did in Photoshop, this nebula effect and whatnot. I also do a little work in website construction and in Flash. These are just samples of other little websites that I've created. and these are just simple Flash projects that I've done. This is a puzzle. Move these things around. You know, it's funny that actually after I did this and split these pieces up, I've never been able to actually put this back together. It's very difficult. And this is just, it has fast forward and rewind features for my original zombie video. This is a tutorial that I created on repair of an Xbox 360 who has given you the Ring of Death. It has several sections here. I used Maya to create these little videos and Flash to construct the rest of the tutorial. This just shows how it comes apart, and then it's got explanations for each tab underneath. And then my contact page, which gives you access to my email address and a download link for my personal resume. That concludes this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and hope you learned a little bit about me and what I do. Thank you very much, and have a great day.